Planet Earth was once home to thousands of beautiful and terrific living things for millions of years. These gigantic creatures ruled the lands, airs, and water for centuries, but even they couldn't survive a mega disaster. But there are some animals once thought to be extinct that have made a reappearance. In today's video, we're bringing you a list of 10 animals that unexpectedly came back from extinction. Extinct species are those that are completely wiped out from the face of the earth, often as a result of continuous deforestation, climate change, and overhunting. However, there are a significant number of animals and birds that were on the brink of extinction but managed to recover. Species such as the Jarvan elephant and the colorful Clarion snake were thought to be extinct long ago, but now they're seen in several parts of the world. Various factors such as climate change and evolution seem to have brought them back. Now let's take a closer look at these animals, shall we? Number 10. The Lord Howe Island stick insect. The Lord Howe Island stick insect lives on the Lord Howe Island group and is a species of stick insect. It is also known as tree lobster and was thought to be extinct in the 1920s. This insect, however, was rediscovered in 2001. The rediscovered population consists of only 24 insects. These gorgeous crawlers are 20 centimeters in length and weigh about 25 grams. As compared to females, the males have thicker thighs, and this insect can run very fast. Number 9. The Caspian Horse. The Caspian Horse is believed to be one of the oldest horses on our planet. These horses became extinct in the 7th century AD, but were rediscovered in 1965 by a horse breeder named Louise Verreuse. It is believed that these horses went extinct after the destruction of libraries and monuments in Iran. They've got large nostrils, a small muzzle, a short fine head, short hairs, and large eyes. These attractive horses are intelligent, kind-spirited, and willing. Caspian horses have strong hooves and legs, making them excellent jumpers. They're found in various colors such as gray, bay, dun, black, or chestnut. Number 8. The African forest turtle. The African forest turtle is a semi-terrestrial turtle that can live both in terrestrial and aquatic habitats. It is believed that this turtle existed in 1875. but was recently rediscovered in 2009. They're found in the Arakan Hills of western Myanmar. This grateful turtle is known as the critically endangered turtle. They weigh around 1.3 kilograms and are 22 centimeters long. The Arakan forest turtle is nocturnal and especially active during the wet season. They're omnivorous as they feed both on plants and animals. It is an endangered species because of its high demand for medicinal and food purposes. Number 7. The Javan elephant. The Javan elephant belongs to the family of Elephantidae. It is native to the island of Java and is a subspecies of the Asian elephant. This elephant became extinct after Europeans arrived in Southeast Asia. In 1800, it was thought to be gone forever. But this beautiful elephant was saved from extinction by the Sultan of Sulu when he brought it over to Borneo as a gift. The life expectancy of this pleasing elephant is about 80 years in captivity and 60 years in the wild. They stay near the water and are herbivorous. Its skeleton is made up of 326 to 351 bones. Number 6. The Cuban Solenodon. The Cuban Solenodon is endemic to Cuba, of course, and is a subspecies of Eulopatyphlon. It was discovered by German naturalist Wilhelm Peters in 1861. The Cuban Solenodon was considered extinct by 1970, but was rediscovered just 5 years later in 1975. They're very rarely seen because they're nocturnal burrowers who live underground. They have black to dark brown hair, small eyes, a long naked scaly tail, and an elongated snout. Their diet consists of fungi, insects, roots, fruits, bugs, lizards, and even frogs. The young ones are raised by females and males don't really participate. Nonetheless, Cuban selenodons are social as they're often found living together in the same burrow. Number 5. The Pahlavi Blanca. The Pahlavi Blanca belongs to the family of Crucidae. This is an endangered animal because of habitat loss and poaching pressure. It has 9 white feathers on its wingtips and lives in the dry forest. They were declared extinct by the scientific community, but were rediscovered in 1977. The Pahlavi Blanca is a charming medium-sized cracid with a small head and a thin neck. They have red throats, blue beaks, and purple facial skin around their eyes. Number 4. The horned marsupial frog. The horned marsupial frog is found in Costa Rica, Colombia, Panama, and Ecuador. It's got a rounded snout, broad head, bronze iris, unwebbed fingers, and a light brown belly. This species is endangered due to human activities like deforestation and a fungal disease called chytridiomyosis. These lovely frogs live in the forest canopy at a height range of 90 to 1,000 meters. The horned marsupial frog hadn't been seen for a decade until it later reappeared in the Ecuadorian forest. Its diet includes lizards, snails, tadpoles, and even mice. They have leaf-like horns on top of their eyes and carry eggs in a pouch on their back, hence why they're called marsupials. Horned marsupial frogs inhabit tropical and subtropical forests and are 2.8 to 3.1 inches in length. Number 3. The Takei. The Takei is a flightless bird that belongs to the rail family. It was first discovered by Europeans in 1847 and became extinct in 1898, only to be rediscovered in 1948. These birds weigh about 2.7 kilograms and are 63 centimeters in length. They have massive beaks and short, strong legs. Takei birds have brown legs, peacock blue wings, a blue head, a white-tipped beak, and green inner wings on their back. Now that's a lot of colors. It feeds on shoots, grass, and insects. These delightful flightless birds are pretty sedentary, which is why they're typically found in grasslands. Environmental variations were the main reason for their extinction, but it's good to have these beautifully colored birds back. Number 2. Florida Panther. The Florida Panther belongs to the family of Felidae and was chosen to be Florida's state animal. It is creamy white with blue eyes and has black tips on its ears and tail. They can weigh anywhere from 29 to 45 kilograms, with males being a lot heavier than females. These stunning panthers feed on mice, hares, deer, alligator, cattle, cats, and pigs. Its major population threats is the loss, degradation, and fragmentation of their habitat. They're rarely seen by people as they're pretty reclusive. Today, the total population of Florida panthers is only 120 to 130. The Florida panther cannot roar, but it does make other purring sounds to communicate. It can live up to 12 years in the wild.
On 4Evergreen channel, we have a lot of amazing videos on beautiful birds and animals. So don't forget to check them out and subscribe to 4Evergreen. Tell us in comments which one of these you like the most and why.
Number 1. The Clarion night snake. At number 1 on this list is the Clarion night snake, a species of colubrid snake endemic. It was first discovered in 1936 by William Beebe, and it was thought to be extinct because scientists weren't able to detect it for several years later. But this pretty snake was eventually rediscovered in 2013. They are brownish black with dark spots on both their neck and head. These strange snakes live by bodies of water with sulfuric gases and black lava rock.